Cities around the world are struggling with their own housing crises.
We're all facing the same big challenge, which is how we get more sustainable homes and how we get them better and faster.
The way we procure items is still as Victorian as the way we build currently, so there's lots of change that's needed.
Traditional building methods, as we all know, can only go so far, and that's where precision manufacturing, off-site manufacturing, whatever term you want to use to describe it, comes into its own and plays such a crucial role.
Through collaboration between otherwise competing companies, we've arrived at a set of limiting and optimal design property values for each PMH system. And this enables users of this tool to very quickly assess viable PMH options for their specific design.
What we've evolved here is a really good opportunity to move the market, and it is about moving a market at scale if we're going to address change.
This is about really having a step change to the next level, about trying to crack that difficult problem of standardisation, aggregating demand and giving confidence to people across the sector.
It is a really beneficial thing that will accelerate that process and allow people to consider more options than they would have done historically, so that they can kind of open their minds to what is possible.
This is the first time there's been an open access app which is on a city-wide level, which is free to use on this scale, and I'm really proud that London's leading the way on this.
This is actually the start of a journey, so even though we've launched something today, it's the beginning of what will hopefully be a further evolution of Prism as we mature more of an online community and we have plugins and additional functionality that is built into it.
I think the open source approach is a fantastic initiative because that allows so many other brains to get in on the act and, if you like, to really supercharge the app and make it useful for everybody.
I want to see an acceleration of the take-up of precision manufactured housing, and I think Prism can really do that. And this country needs it so desperately, and all cities need it, because we all have this massive challenge. I work internationally with lots of other cities, and I know that they all want it. And what's so great is that they can have it.
People are seeing the art of the possible in these types of technologies, and whilst it's not the end, it's the start of a discussion to go in the right direction.
And actually it's owned by the industry. It's not owned necessarily by Bryden Wood and Cast. We've set something in motion here that the industry can then run with and take forward.